One of the most important points which I think I have been facing throughout my life. Basically what happens ki during examinations we sit and start studying. So even if the student studies for 24 hours at a time, a parent comes in the room and like kuch padhta bhi hai ki nahi?
Right.
This is the entire time, correct?
Right.
So basically because in our day-to-day life parents are not with the students throughout the 24 hours time they have of their own errands to do, which is completely acceptable. But still, this creates a lot of pressure in the students. कि मतलब so पापा इतनी बार क्यों बोल रहे हैं? शायद मैं खुद नहीं पढ़ रहा हूँ. Correct. So how do the students tackle that?
See, basically our attention span itself is only for 20 minutes. Whatever you do beyond that, either it's just getting in, not getting absorbed, or you're just sitting there because you've been asked to sit there. Okay? And maybe papa or mama have entered the room at a wrong time when you're just taking that little break.
Agreed.
That small break that you really want to, you've taken that break, wrong timing, they've entered and they see, what the hell are you doing? Are you really studying? Or you just shut yourself inside the room?
Exactly.
Happens, absolutely. But you know what you're doing. It's okay.
True.
So maybe you could be polite in telling your parents that it was just a small break that I took. And next time be more careful about the sounds around. Get your book, get your position there so that they know that you are studying. They're just worried for you. They're just anxious because this is the age where all of us tend to get distracted.
Correct.
And that anxiety is something that probably they're passing on to us. They're also pressurized. There's societal pressures, right?
Yes.
So they're trying to pass it on to us. But then it's up to us how we manage and how we take it.
Correct.
As long as you're confident of what you have done, as long as you're true to yourself, I don't think you have to be answerable to someone else.
Completely true, ma'am. This actually brings a very good motivational quote in my mind, which we used to share it in the sessions as well. The quote goes like this: ki the same hot water which softens the potato.
Yes, it
actually hardens the egg. Exactly,
yes,
correct.
Yes.
So it's not about the circumstances which surrounding your life. It's all about what you are made up of.
Correct.
Now I'll take two things from what you said. Basically, in Vedantu we are going to reduce down all the sessions to 20 minutes right now.
Yeah, and a small break of 2 minutes.
2 minutes, and then we'll continue again for 20 minutes.
And the break could be in any form. Either you crack a joke or some quote in between. That's definitely relaxing.
That is definitely true. So I think we do that, no students? If someone says in the channel that it doesn't, you'll get very nicely from me in the sessions. Okay, anyways, and the second thing which we take is ki be very, very detective in nature, so that as soon as the parent comes in, you know all the tricks to hide your mobile phones and laptops. Then you have a very good picture.
Be
so
smart.
Yeah, exactly. What we used to do is ki we had the notebook with us. A notebook ke andar hota tha phone. So whatever you have to do, you can do that. Just giving you a tip from this side.
But again, with all these, you're answerable to yourself. That's
exactly.
it.
Just be true to yourself. If you want to check out the phone, go ahead and check it out. Great, ma'am. Thank you so much. So yes, convincing the parents is done. I believe no parents are watching this. Vanna to problem ho jayega.
I think they will also understand.
Oh yes, right. No. So
that's the positive side of it.
So the next time you have the phone with you, make sure that the parent does not come much closer. उससे पहले भाग जाना. Problem हो जाएगी. Great, ma'am. Thank you so much with that.